For making the chicken curry, we can use it for the biryani. Start with whole spices. I have peppercorn, cloves and cardamom, green cardamom. Allow it to heat a bit and then add in, so now add in the onions. Add in ginger garlic paste. Once the onion is sweated, nicely light brown color, add in 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So after sauteing ginger garlic paste for around 2 minutes, add in turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, chili powder, 3 teaspoons, coriander powder, 3 teaspoons. Just saute for a minute. It's good enough. Now add in beaten yogurt. Greek yogurt is the best if we can get it, otherwise normal yogurt. I'm adding around 7 tablespoons of yogurt. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and cardamom powder. Mix it in. Add in salt. 1 teaspoon should be enough. Well, now at this stage, add in the chicken. I'm using only drumstick. Personal preference. You can use any pieces you want. The best is with the bone. Just saute for at least 3 minutes till the chicken leaves the water. Now add in the hot water. Once it starts simmering, keep it covered. Cook it on a slow flame for 20 minutes. So now to finish off the curry for the biryani, just break in mint and coriander mix, fresh leaves, and mix it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Bobby Geetha, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Click the bell icon and watch other videos. You will learn amazing techniques what we use in the restaurants or international restaurants or hotels. I'm happy to give you more techniques. Give me your feedbacks in the comment below. Thank you.